Sorry about that abrupt ending, guys. I don't know what happened, but anyways, let's just get started. So, first you're gonna, so, of course you're gonna take that 4x4, black piece, you can put it there, and take it, let me put that tile back. Take a 4x4 tile with a with 4 studs on one end, and right here, you're gonna take a 1x4 brick in, light bluish gray, there. And then you're gonna take 2 1x2 bricks with a vertical clip on it, right there. You're gonna take 2 1x2 plates. Hold on, let me find out. With the vertical clip on one, or horizontal clip. My bad. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. So now you're gonna take 2 1x1 bricks. Hold on, let me see. Okay, here's the other 2x8 plates. Alright, so you're gonna take 2 1x1 bricks in dark bluish gray, and you're gonna take a 1x2x3 panel piece in light bluish gray, and then take 2 1x1 bricks in red with vertical clips. One right there and there, and then 2 1x2 bricks in red, right there and there. And then the same setup down here with 2 1x1 bricks in dark bluish gray. And then 2 1x1 bricks with the vertical clip in red. And then on those clips, you're going to take 2 3 long rod pieces in yellow for like handlebars, something like that. And then take 4 1x2 panel pieces in red. Take 4 of them. This one there, 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 and there. And then take 2 1x2 bricks in red. One there. There's one there. And one right there. And then take 2 1x2x2 panel pieces in red. There. And there with these fire logo stickers. And then take a 1x6x3 transparent light blue window screen. Right there. And then take a 1x2 tile, modified tile with a handlebar on it. And then take 2 1x2 corner plates in white, place them there, and then 2 1x8 tiles in white. And then you're gonna take a 2x4 plate. You're gonna take 2 4x6 hood pieces in red, and one of them has an 07 sticker on it. And then you're gonna take a 2x6 plate. You're gonna put it on like so. You're gonna flip it over and take 2 1x2 plates with sliders in white. Put it on the front like that. And then on this, you're gonna take a 1x4 tile plates in white, and you're gonna take 2 1x2 transparent blue tiles. So have it like that. And then you're gonna set it on like so. And then on here, you're gonna take this hose reel, you're gonna have it hooked up like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. You're gonna take a axe piece in black, a saw in dark bluish gray. Actually, you know what? It should be like this. This should be the saw. This should be the axe. And then this could be like that fire extinguisher. Actually, no. Maybe the radio would go there. Alright, so now for the ladder parts. I'm going to take a 6x6 round plate in light bluish gray. And take a 1x2 brick in red. We're going to take two 2x4 bricks with Technic in light bluish gray with Technic pins on either end. And then another 1x2 brick on the other end. And you're going to lock it all together with a 2x6 plate in dark bluish gray. And then a 2x6 plate, a 2x3 plate in red on top. And then two 1x2 modified plates with one of the studs replaced with a clip in light bluish gray. And then you lock that together with a 2x6 tile in light bluish gray. And then you take one of these Technic pieces in red. They look like this. They're like a V shape on this. And you're going to take a Technic pin with one end being an axle. So I'm going to place it on like that. And then you take this 2x10 plate in light bluish gray. Flip it over. And you're going to take a 2x2 dark bluish gray plate here. And on the other end, you take a 1x2 transparent red plate here. Flip it back over. Take a 2x2 plate in dark bluish gray here. 2x2 black. What are these? Black 2x2 modified black plates with a Technic pin in them. Something like that. And then a 2x4 plate here in dark bluish gray. And then you're going to take two 1x2 oh man. Hang on a minute. I don't have this other 1x2 plate in this set, so I'm going to try and find it in my collection. That one's broken. Okay, this one's not broken. Alright, I found it. So I'm going to place them like that. For some reason, he gave me another one of these pieces. But whatever. I take another 2x4 plate in dark bluish gray. I take a 2x6 modified tile with these ends here. I don't know what they're called. And then I slide this big ladder piece in them. And then I take the retractable ladder and put it in there like that. And then I set it on this like that. And then we're gonna my bad. Messed up my camera stand. So you're gonna place it like this, and make another one of these things with a Technic pin. Okay. Okay. And then I take two of these red piston things, and then you take the piston retractors in a light bluish gray. Put them in there like that. So you're gonna put them on like this. So like that, and I'm going to set it on right there. So yeah. And then I'm going to place on the wheels. So I'm going to take 4 of these gray rim, light bluish gray rims, and I'm going to put them in these black tires. They like click. That's interesting. And you're going to send them on the axle bearing plates at the bottom. And there we go. There we have it. So it goes down, it goes up. Yeah, it's really nice. And then you could put this 4 1x1 transparent light blue studs in this cabinet right here. Okay. So there we go. Nice fire ladder truck. So I'm going to create a fire scene quick. I'm going to have this attached right here. Shoot. Can't even attach it. Okay, apparently it doesn't want to go there. That's okay. Let me reattach it right there. Pull it out just a little bit. I'm gonna have to have this put up here because it won't go anywhere else. So it's gonna be like that. Oh, you can't even see it. So it's like that. He's putting out the fire, and then this guy is too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next LEGO video. See ya.